You did it again this morning, and it's silently destroying your joints. Every day after 60, millions of people wake up and follow the same habit. It feels harmless, even healthy. But orthopedic doctors have linked it to crippling joint pain, bone-on-bone grinding, and even permanent mobility loss. What's worse, no one's warning seniors about it. In the next few minutes, you'll uncover this hidden joint destroyer, plus 6 other common morning mistakes that age your joints faster than time itself. Don't skip a second. Your knees, hips, and hands will thank you. If you're over 60 or care about someone who is, joint health isn't optional. The truth is, your body isn't as forgiving as it once was. But what if I told you that the damage isn't just from age? It's from simple everyday habits we repeat without thinking, especially in the morning. Today, we'll reveal 7 common morning habits that silently weaken your joints, trigger inflammation, and speed up conditions like arthritis. One of them is so routine, even your doctor might not warn you about it. So grab your seat, stay tuned, and protect your joints before it's too late. Number 1. The wake and walk. Mistake why rushing out of bed damages. Aging joints. Most people over 60 think getting up and moving quickly in the morning is a good sign of health. But if you spring out of bed the moment you wake up, you're making a big mistake, especially for aging joints. Overnight, your joints experience fluid redistribution, and your cartilage becomes less pliable. When you immediately put pressure on stiff joints, especially knees, hips, and lower back, you grind dehydrated cartilage against bone, increasing the risk of microtears, inflammation, and long-term deterioration. According to the Arthritis Foundation, joint stiffness peaks in the morning due to reduced synovial fluid flow, the body's natural joint lubricant. So what's the fix? Instead of leaping out of bed, spend 3 to 5 minutes doing gentle in-bed joint warm-ups, such as ankle rotations, leg slides, and knee squeezes. This improves circulation, rehydrates joint capsules, and primes your body for safe movement. Number 2. Skipping morning hydration, the silent trigger of joint stiffness. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body wakes up in a dehydrated state, and your joints feel it first. Why? Because cartilage is made up of nearly 80% water. When you're dehydrated, your joints become less cushioned, less mobile, and more prone to friction. The result? That morning stiffness you blame on age is often just your joints begging for hydration. But here's the catch. Most people go straight to coffee, tea, or even nothing at all. Caffeine is a diuretic, meaning it causes the body to lose even more fluids, worsening the problem. The fix? Start your morning with a full glass, 250-300 milliliters of water, preferably lukewarm with a slice of lemon to kickstart hydration and reduce acidity. Hydrating first thing not only helps lubricate your joints, but also boosts digestion, circulation, and brain function. Number 3, the coffee conundrum. Hidden acidity and inflammation. After 60 Balsamud. Let's face it, millions of people can't imagine starting their morning without coffee. But here's what many over 60 don't know. That hot cup of relief may be quietly inflaming your joints. Coffee is naturally acidic, and high acidity in the body can disrupt pH balance, leading to inflammation, especially in already sensitive joints. In seniors who often have lower stomach acid production and compromised kidney function, this effect is magnified. Plus, many seniors drink coffee on an empty stomach, which can trigger cortisol spikes, a stress hormone linked to joint pain and cartilage breakdown. Add creamers or sugary syrups, and you're compounding the issue with inflammatory sugars and additives. Healthier swap. If you must have coffee, drink it after eating a light breakfast to buffer stomach acid and reduce cortisol spikes. Better yet, try anti-inflammatory alternatives like turmeric tea, chicory root coffee, or green tea. Number 4, cold showers. First thing, refreshing or a shock to your joints. Cold showers are trending as a miracle hack for energy and focus, but for seniors, they might be doing more harm than good, especially to your joints. Here's why. Abrupt exposure to cold can cause sudden vasoconstriction, narrowing of the blood vessels, which reduces blood flow to your joints, making them stiffer and more vulnerable to injury. Plus, if you already have conditions like osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, cold exposure can intensify joint pain by increasing muscle tension and slowing down the synovial fluid that cushions your joints. For people under 40, this may be invigorating, but over 60, you're shocking a system that's already fighting stiffness and inflammation. Better approach? Opt for a warm or lukewarm shower in the morning, especially before stretching or exercise. This helps loosen up connective tissue, improve joint flexibility, and reduce pain sensitivity. Number 5, sitting too long after waking. The mobility trap seniors ignore. You get out of bed and go straight to the kitchen table, the couch, or your favorite recliner. Sounds harmless, right? But here's the truth. Sitting immediately after waking up locks your joints into stiffness when they're most vulnerable. After 7 to 8 hours of lying still, your muscles, tendons, and joints need active movement to re-engage and support your body's alignment. But prolonged sitting first thing in the morning causes joint fluid to pool, weakens muscle activation, and increases lumbar spine compression, especially in people over 60. This pattern over time leads to reduced mobility, increased fall risk, and degenerative wear on knees, hips, and lower back. What to do instead? After waking and warming up in bed, do 5 to 10 minutes of light mobility exercises, like gentle marches in place, arm swings, or leg circles. It's like oiling your joints before the engine of your day starts running. Number 6, stretching the wrong way. Common mistakes that strain the cartilage. Stretching in the morning is great, right? Not always. In fact, the wrong kind of stretching can actually strain your joints, especially if you're over 60. Many seniors unknowingly perform ballistic stretches, those quick bouncing movements that jerk the muscles and joints. But here's the problem. When your joints are cold and your muscles are tight from sleep, these movements increase the risk of ligament sprain and cartilage wear. Stretching too aggressively can overcompress the joint space, especially in the knees, neck, and shoulders, leading to inflammation and microdamage that builds up over time. What's better? Go for dynamic range of motion stretches, slow and controlled movements like neck rolls, hip circles, and gentle toe touches. Follow this with static stretches after a short walk or warm shower when your body is more limber. Number 7, taking certain pills on an empty stomach, the hidden cartilage killer. For many seniors, taking medications is a daily routine. But did you know that popping certain pills first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, can silently erode your joints? Here's how. NSAIDs like ibuprofen or naproxen, taken without food, can irritate the stomach lining and reduce protective mucus production, leading to gastrointestinal inflammation. But even more concerning, they can impair cartilage regeneration when taken long-term, especially without a buffer like food. Even some supplements, like high-dose vitamin A, iron, or calcium, can disrupt nutrient absorption or cause mineral imbalances, which affect bone and joint integrity. The kicker? Many seniors take these pills believing they're helping, but may actually be accelerating joint degeneration. What to do? Always check if your medications or supplements require food. Take anti-inflammatories after breakfast, and consult your doctor about joint-supporting alternatives like omega-3s or turmeric with black pepper. Before we dive into the recap, quick question for you. Which of these morning habits are you guilty of? Is it skipping water, rushing out of bed, or that daily coffee on an empty stomach? Drop a comment below with the number 1 to 7 for the habit you relate to the most. We read every comment, and you might even help someone else spot a mistake they didn't know they were making. And hey, if you're finding this video helpful so far, tap that like button. It helps the video reach more people who need it. Plus, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips made specifically for you and your loved ones over 60. We've still got the full recap coming, so keep watching. Let's do a quick recap of the 7 surprising morning habits that could be harming your joints after 60. Rushing out of bed before warming up stiff joints. Skipping your morning water, leaving cartilage dry and fragile. Drinking acidic coffee on an empty stomach, triggering inflammation. Taking cold showers first thing, shocking your joints and tightening muscles. Sitting too long after waking, locking up mobility and compressing joints. Stretching too aggressively, straining ligaments and cartilage. Taking pills without food, weakening your joint lining and nutrient balance. If you want strong, pain-free joints for years to come, start your mornings with intention. Even small changes can create massive improvements in how you move, feel, and age. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and share it with someone over 60 who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe, because we post weekly health videos that can literally change your life, one habit at a time. Your joints will thank you.